final tactic, and this is where we're going to drop a bit of a feature reveal. So tactic number 5, and this is one that I wanted to put in because it's sort of not one that's been happening a lot yet, and I think it's one that's really important for every business. So when a customer cancels your program, your product, whatever business you run, if a customer cancels, if you don't know why they've cancelled, I guess you're in trouble. You're not going to know how to pivot, and it's really going to hurt your chances of growing as a business. So new feature alert here at Bonjoro. Another video to show you. We've just launched reply by video. So in Bonjoro now, instead of just sending videos and getting text replies, customers can now reply to you by video simply by clicking on the little reply by video icon. And I want to show you very quickly another video that Summer's put together so you can see exactly how this works. And I'll talk about why I think this is important in terms of cancellations and lots of other little ideas where I think you could really use reply by video. So let me quickly show you this. That's the wrong one. 2 seconds. That one. So reply by video, I'll let this speak for itself. So, oh, we're too far. Let me start it again. Okay, so I will walk you through it. So customer gets your video in their inbox. They click on it, they play your video, and there's a little icon, a new icon now down at the bottom, so they can click reply by video. Part of the beauty of this is they don't need to download anything. So it just pops up in their browser. They can record their own video, and they can send it straight back to you, like without doing anything. They literally don't have to download anything, and it's super quick as you're seeing on your screen here. Their video is sent, and then nice little touch is that this comes back into your Bonjoro replies tab, so you can monitor all these videos coming back. And then if you want to, you can then go and record your own little reply video again for them, so you can continue that asynchronous conversation by video. So new feature, you guys are the first to see it. So if you log into your Bonjoro accounts, that's there, ready to go inside your account. Give it a whirl and see what you can do with it. And I want to give you some ideas for why I think it's pretty important to Bonjoro, but also how you could use it. So a few things I think this is great for. One is to ask for feedback. 2, maybe to do things like gather testimonial videos, like little case study videos that you could use on your site. Say to a customer that's been a great customer of yours, hey, by the way, could you just reply to this video? Tell me why you love my product. And then you can download that straight from Bonjoro and use it on your site. Really time-saving way of gathering these sorts of things, because otherwise it's such a clunky workflow. I tried to do it myself. Case studies are an absolute nightmare to gather from people. So give this a blast. But also help your customers. So they can ask you better questions. You could say to them, hey, how are you getting on with this feature? Or how are you doing with my product? And they, rather than have to type it all out, it's much quicker for them to reply by video. And you're going to get better insights coming back that puts you in a position to really help them do better with your product. Questions coming in. Is it something you can turn on and off? 10 minutes, you can't at the moment turn it on and off. So we probably will add a toggle at some point. We just wanted to sort of launch it into accounts and see how it worked. In terms of which plans it's available on, every single account will get it. So it doesn't matter which plan you're on, whether you're on our free plan, our basic plan, our growth plan, it's in them all. So for me, this is really going to be like a watch and see thing. And the reason I wanted to put it in here is because, and I came up with this tactic, cancellation insights, is, when you get cancelled customers, think about maybe sending them a personalized video and then asking them in that video to reply to you to tell them why they cancelled. Test that off against maybe like a cancellation survey that you currently run, and I think you'll probably get much better insights. So we're going to do that here at Bonjoro, see what comes of it. And I just wanted to recommend that one to you and see what you all thought of it too. So better insights, more conversations with your customers, and ultimately stronger relationships with them as well. And it's all about relationships as well.